Hello students. So today here we are going to learn the new topic, draft a speech. Page number 12 and 25 of your textbook, class 12th, subject English, marks 4. Next slide. Importance of speech. So before we start, let's know the importance of speech. Speech is very important part of oral communication. We can communicate thousands of people and can conquer their heart with the help of speech. In future, if you want to be a successful leader or an administrator, you must know the art of speech. Speech is the best way to interact with the audience. It is a very effective way to change the mentality of large number of people. From ancient times to the modern era, this art of speech is the dominant way of communication. Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, Martin Luther King, Swami Vivekananda, Nelson Mandela won the hearts of millions with the help of speech. मित्रांनो, हजारो लोकांपर्यंत आपले विचार पोहोचविण्याचं एक महत्त्वाचं कौशल्य म्हणजेच वक्तृत्व कौशल्य होय. आपल्याला जर भविष्यात एखादा उत्तम प्रशासक, नेता, व्याख्याता, शिक्षक व्हायचे असेल तर आपल्यामध्ये भाषण कौशल्य असणं अतिशय आवश्यक आहे. तर चला या ठिकाणी स्पीच भाषण कसं लिहायचं याची माहिती घेऊया. Now here, how the question will be asked in the examination and how you have to solve this question. Now in this way the question will be asked. Question: prepare a speech on 5th June Environment Day for the awareness of environmental problems among students with the help of following points. Problem of pollution, importance and benefits of trees, add slogans and make an appeal. So in this way the question will be asked. Again I read this question. Prepare a speech on 5th June Environment Day for the awareness of environmental problems among students with the help of following points. Problem of pollution, importance and benefits of trees, add slogans and make an appeal. Now here students, follow these points while writing a speech. Now here you have to follow these points. Address to the president of the program, chief guest and audience first, and introduce yourself. Tell the topic of your speech. Use easy and clear language. Use short sentences. A speech should be informative. Next slide. Use slogans and quotations of great persons. Use rhetorical questions instead of simple sentences. Be specific to your topic of speech. At the end, make an appeal and say thank you to the audience. So here, these are the points that you have to remember while writing this question speech. Okay, while writing the answer of this question, the speech, drafting a speech. Okay. Next slide. Now students, this is the answer of the question. Here, the limit of the answer should be 80 to 100 words. So, here, the limit of this limit of the answer of this question must be between 80 to 100 words. So, let's go for the answer. Respected President, Chief Guest, teachers, and my dear friends, today we are gathered here to celebrate the Environment Day. I am XYZ from 12th Science class. Dear friends, you know that our planet Earth is suffering from major environmental problems such as air, water, sound, and soil pollution. Next slide. With the advance of science and technology, no doubt, we have explored new horizons of material world. But on the other hand, it has also given the disadvantages of pollution. Today, there is an enormous growth in vehicles, which is responsible for air and sound pollution. The rapidly growing industries are also responsible for air, water, and soil pollution. Who is responsible for this problem? Who is responsible for this pollution? The animals? The birds? No. We, the human beings. So, it is very sad to say that we are living in the age of pollution. Next slide. Now it is our duty to save our Mother Earth. So let us preserve the forest and trees. Always remember that trees are our best friends. Trees gives us fruits, shadow, and life-saving oxygen. Trees are our lifeline. It is the home of birds. Without trees, there will be no rain, no oxygen, and no life. So please listen the call of nature. Plant at least one tree in your garden or in your farm. Always remember that together we will and together we can. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. So, here students, in this way, we have to write the speech. Okay, so let's go for the next slide. Homework. Now, look at this question. Your college has arranged a blood donation camp. Prepare a speech to appeal the students to join the camp and donate blood. Use the following points. Narrate the importance of blood donation. Precautions to take. Add your own points. So here, students, complete this homework. Again, I read this. Your college has arranged a blood donation camp. Prepare a speech to appeal the students to join the camp and donate blood. So on this topic, you have to write down a speech. Next slide. Okay, complete your homework and send it on my WhatsApp profile. Thank you. Best wishes.